I have added all the text to the video on my InShot, and this is how it looks like.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. Alam yaj'al kaydahum fi tadlil. وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
So that's how it looks like. I think for now, for the purpose of the training, so I think this is okay. You can just be going there. There's a lot of things you can do with the InShot. You can animate the text. Just go to the text, click on it. The animation is here somewhere here. Click on edit and click on this particular place. No, this particular place. So where you will animate it, click on it. So there's a lot of things you can be doing there. There's a lot of things you can be doing there. You see how it looks like now. You understand? So you can do it like that. You can do a lot of things there. You can do a lot of animation there. You can do a lot of things there. You can do a lot of things there. So that by the time you play it, it will look like this.
فَجَعَلَهُمْ كَعَصْفٍ مَأْكُولٍ.
So, and also the next thing I will show you is how you can remove this insert watermark. So that is why InShot is even better than CapCut and other video editing apps. You can remove this one easily. At times, if you on your data, you will watch ads before you can remove it. But if you off your data, it will remove automatically by clicking on it. Just click on it on the watermark, free remove. So you will watch ads and it will remove it for you. And if you didn't on your data too, it will remove for you. You see, it has been removed. So let me animate all the text now. I will just click on it and I will click on edit. Click on the animation and choose the best animation. I think one of the one I like. So let me choose this one. Okay. I will go to the next text, edit, go to the animation, click on this. So the next one too, I go to it, edit, animation, and I click on it. So the next one too, I go to it, edit, animation, I choose this. So and the next one, I go to it, edit, animation, I click on this. So I think it's all now. Now let's play it from the beginning.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil. Alam yaj'al kaydahum fi tadlil. وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجين فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
I think the video is okay now. The next thing I will show you is how you will export your video. Just click on the export. Look at that place. That's the export. Click on it and wait for your video to convert, and it will be safe on your video on your gallery on your phone.